Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever and whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Devas here, and here I'm back again with another video on our YouTube channel, Feel the Automobile. Now, a few months back, a good friend of mine bought this new Hyundai i20 Elite Magna 1.2 liter petrol engine. I know that everyone knows about this car because this car is in the market more than 10 years or so, but this weekend we were just hanging out and I got the chance to get my hands on it, and I came to know about some new safety features which were not there. Yes, because I myself is driving Hyundai i20 2009 model, and I have also driven the same i20 which was bought 4 or 5 months ago, and these safety features were not there. So I thought that it's worth sharing these safety features with you guys. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Let's see this car and we'll take a short ride of it. So if we get inside the car, you get all the 4 power windows. This is the power windows, this is auto down for driver side. From this button you can adjust the outside meters electronically. On the steering you get all the music system controls, and also you can answer your calls and cancel your calls from here, because this entertainment system comes with inbuilt Bluetooth. You get manual AC controls. This is not the automatic climate control in which you can set up the exact temperature. Otherwise, this car looks pretty premium from inside. I can hear the beep, and this car comes with a rear parking sensor, but you will not get that rear parking camera in particular this model. So now let's talk about the first safety feature. This is called passenger occupancy sensor. Now, as you can see in this clip, I'm driving this car solo, but this car comes with passenger seat belt reminder alarm. So how the car is gonna decide that whether passenger is on the seat or not? Now is the time when passenger occupancy sensor will come into play. This sensor is located on the backrest part of the seat, so it will recognize that someone is there on the seat or not, and then it will ring the alarm to remind you to fasten your seat belt. This will also help the airbag system to decide that whether passenger side airbag inflation is required or not at the time of the collision. This can save a cost of fixing the airbag if there is no one sitting on the passenger seat. Now let's talk about the second safety feature which I found on this car. This is called a high-speed alarm system. So what this system does, when your car reaches at the speed of 80 km an hour, it will ring for once, and if you are driving your car more than 120 km an hour, then it will continuously beep to remind you that you are doing more than high speed. Now check out some attempts I have did to demonstrate you how it sounds like when we are reaching 80 km an hour. So in the conclusion, I must say that BS6 norm has not just improved our car's emission standards, but it has also made our cars more safer with the inclusion of new safety features. So if you have liked this little video for whatsoever reason, please press the like button below, and yes, share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, ciao.